Hello students, now we are going to discuss electromagnetic induction, that is chapter number 6, lecture number 2. The topic is also electromagnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction? Before discussing about electromagnetic induction, let us discuss something, that is take a bar magnet, okay. If this is north, this is south. North from the north pole, it will produce a magnetic field. Here will be also a magnetic field, but let us suppose this is magnetic field of lines, okay. And take a coil here like that, okay. If this coil or bar magnet comes closer, as the coil is moving toward the bar magnet, or as the bar magnet moving toward the coil, something is observed by Michael Faraday, a scientist. What is observed? That if the bar magnet is suddenly moved, suddenly means with an acceleration, with some positive or negative acceleration, but velocity should not be zero. Change in velocity should not be zero, or velocity should not be zero. Means there must be an acceleration, positive acceleration rather negative acceleration. When the bar magnet is suddenly moved toward a coil, the number of magnetic field of line passing through that coil will change. Means when this coil is moving toward the bar magnet, here, then here, then here. Here you will see that 1, 2, 3, only 3 magnetic field of line is passing. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnetic field is passing, and we know that this is what? This is flux. Means number of magnetic field of line is increasing when bar magnet is moving toward the coil, or coil is moving toward the bar magnet. When both coil and bar magnet comes closer suddenly, means with an acceleration, means when the bar magnet or coil is coming closer, means number of magnetic field of line is increasing or decreasing. When coil and bar magnet is coming closer, the magnetic field of line passing through that particular coil is increasing. When it is going away from each other, then number of magnetic field of line passing through that particular coil area will be lesser and more lesser, okay. After this experiment, what is happening here? When the bar magnet is suddenly coming toward the coil, here exists one end of the coil is positive and another is negative. It may be this negative, this is positive, okay. We will talk about the polarity, means positive and negative, in the upcoming lectures. But here when a bar magnet is suddenly moving toward a coil, the flux linked with the coil is changing, and due to this changing, there exists a polarity between the ends of the coil. Means one end become positive and another end become negative. When we close the circuit, then there will exist a current, because the circuit is completed. Then there will be a flow of current, whether in this direction or in this direction. Means in anti-clockwise or clockwise. We will discuss about the direction in upcoming lectures, okay. Now because due to the magnetic field, means due to the magnet, there exists a current, or there exists a polarity, means there is an electrostatic. There is an electricity, and this electricity is produced by this magnetic field or a magnetic thing. That's why it is called electromagnetic, because there exists electricity and magnetism both. That's why it is called electromagnetic induction, because magnetic field, if magnetic field is the cause to produce the electricity, that's why it is called induction. This is what? This is electromagnetic induction. Okay, hope you're understanding. If the magnet will continue its velocity with constant velocity, means the motion of the bar magnet is constant, then there will not be exist any polarity. If it is increasing or decreasing its velocity, means there exists a positive or negative acceleration. That means there will exist polarity. There means positive or negative, and the whole phenomena is known as electromagnetic induction. Now, if we talk about a definition of the electromagnetic induction, it is the phenomenon to produce the polarity, or polarity means positive or negative, when a bar magnet or a magnet is suddenly moving toward the coil. Or in other words, we can say that the phenomena of generating the polarity or producing the current inside a coil while changing the magnetic flux passing through this particular coil. Means changing, it may increase or may decrease. Okay, it is depending upon the whether the bar magnet is moving toward the coil or it is moving away from the coil. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching this video.